It is Christmas Eve today. It's the 23rd, the day before Christmas Eve. Let's see what's behind our door. We've got presents today. My goodness, they are bright with fluorescent yellow presents in the and the coral colour as well. Oh, this is cute. I wonder which present's for whom. I don't know. There's only two though. A lot of family members. They're all going to have to share. So we've got this goes on here. These are so bright. Like the camera picks up enough of the brightness, I think. But when you see these colours in real life, this is so bright. Okay, we've got a white star on the top. And then we've got one in coral. Vibrant coral. So lovely. There we go. And these go over here. Matches nicely. And we've got another little white star on the top of there. Very beautifully wrapped. We got a spare white star just in case we lose one. So let's go and put these under the Christmas tree. Oh my goodness, they're so big. We're going to have to shuffle things around a bit here. Where's Paisley going to go? Back in the chair. Ollie can be right in here shaking these presents, though this is not his house, but you know. All right, here we go. Door 23 of the Disney Princess Advent Calendar. We need to finish up our Cinderella castle. Actually, this isn't going to be finishing up. So this is a mirror image of the other side. We've got, you know, it makes more sense if you've been following along. So we've actually already built basically this, but this is the opposite, mirror image. So these bits go on here, and then that goes on here, and then we put the white bit on the top. I think, is the white bit on the top kind of like a snowy top? Or is there actually a white bit on the top of the Disney Princess Castle? There might be. I don't know, I haven't looked hard enough. Okay, so there we go. That is almost complete. We've got one more door to complete it. All right, I will see you back here tomorrow for proper Christmas Eve. Let's go. All right, see you then. Bye.